So insofar as surrogacy is concerned and how the right to identity and kind of origin is protected is that the starting point in our Children's Act, we have Chapter 19, which is the surrogacy chapter, we call it. So there's a comprehensive chapter about how you go about the process of surrogacy. And one of the requirements to conclude a surrogacy arrangement is that there must be a genetic link between at least one of the intending parents. We call it commissioning parents, which is not the nicest term, but the intending parents, at least one of them, must be able to provide their own genetic material for the conception of the child. So if we trace back why that was put in our law, there is in our Law Reform Commission paper for that, it was stated that it's important to at least ensure that the child has a genetic link and can know at least one of their parents who's biologically related to them. We have provisions that say that before you do the process of fertilization, you have to get a court order. So the application to the court for surrogacy must obviously give all the detail about the surrogate and the medical assessments and all those things. But the Children's Act says that you may not provide identifying information of the intending parents and the surrogate. So it's quite a protected process in such that even most of the cases are heard in chambers by the judges, and they grant the orders without having an open hearing, unless if there are disputes about certain aspects. So insofar as that is concerned, there is protection for the identity of the surrogate as well. Which obviously, it's good for the surrogate. They don't want to be known, but there are question marks about, in future, will children know who the surrogates were? And will the families even tell them? So again, there is an issue about obviously protecting insofar as the court process is concerned and not allowing strangers to know the information, but how far that also affects the child and who's born through that process eventually needing to know, it's a big question, yeah.